Interchangeable sandals come with numerous ties that can be used to customize the look of a pair of heels. The mix and match possibilities are endless. The wearer can try out many different styles on a small budget. With interchangeable footwear, you can change the look without actually changing your shoes. With a variety of cloth and leather strappings to choose from, a pair of sandals can be made to look different each time you wear them. To make a pair of interchangeable sandals, they start with a piece of hardwood like cherry, walnut, or maple. The employee cuts the wood to a workable size. Then, computer-driven routers carve the rough shape of the sandal's heels, making 2 heels from a single block. The router sculpts a cup for the wearer's heel and carves a supportive structure for the arch of the foot. The router then shaves the sides of the heels and exposes the grain of the wood. Then a worker takes over, cutting away excess wood with a bandsaw. She rounds the back of the heels and further refines the structure. She now has a pair of heels. Another team member brushes rubber cement onto the soles. They are made of both natural and synthetic rubber. She applies glue to the heels too. She presses the heels to the rubber soles. The glue takes 40 minutes to dry. Faux leather backed by cushy padding is used to make the footbed. This material is similar to what is used to make flip-flops. The worker transfers the footbeds to a silkscreen workstation. She lowers a stencil with the company's logo on it. She applies acrylic ink and squeegees the ink across the stencil to transfer the image to the faux leather footbeds. Another employee threads strong nylon cording through the holes in the footbeds to create loops for the interchangeable ties. He presses rivets into the footbed to hold the loops in place. Then he attaches the second part of the rivets to the protruding shafts. Using a special press, he flattens the rivets to secure them to the footbed. The loops are now firmly attached and should hold up to frequent tying. Another worker now glues the footbeds to the soles and heels. Next, she glues the rubber heel caps to the bottoms of the shoes. The caps provide tread and make the shoe more durable. A worker then sands the sides of the sandals, blending all the layers together. He buffs the sides against a fine grit abrasive to give the surface a nice sheen. Then he rubs an oil-based sealer into the wooden heels. This protects the wood from moisture and also accentuates the grain. It's time to test the ties. She threads the ribbons through the loops. They're good to go. With many colorful ties to choose from, these interchangeable sandals are many shoes in one. Race car simulators